8 healthy fruits you need to eat daily. Today's video will go through the top 12 healthy fruits. 1. Lemons. They're sour, we know. However, these yellow fruits offer several health benefits. Lemons are used in tiny amounts to giving meals an additional kick. Lemons, like other citrus fruits, are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help your body eliminate free radicals. 148-gram lemon juice includes 19 mg of vitamin C, 49 mg of potassium, 3 mg of calcium, and 100 mg of fiber. Scurvy, a disease characterized by bleeding gums and tiredness, can be caused by a lack of vitamin C. Lemons include vitamin A, B6, folic acid, niacin, thiamine, and riboflavin in addition to vitamin C. Lemons include vitamin C, which helps improve your immune system, lower your risk of heart disease, regulate your weight, avoid kidney stones, lessen your cancer risk, and protect you from anemia. Warm lemon water with honey in the morning might help you lose weight. 2. Apples. We all know that apples are high in nutrients. So, let us see what they have to offer. One medium apple provides 195 mg of potassium, nearly 9 mg of vitamin C, 11 mg of calcium, and 4 grams of fiber. Apples are high in fiber, which helps to strengthen your heart, support your intestines, and promote excellent digestion. According to studies, persons who eat apples on a daily basis are 30% less likely to be fat and may have a lower risk of neurological problems. Apples, which are high in a flavonoid called quercetin, can also lower your risk of cancer. 3. Strawberries. I'm sure you have strawberries since they're juicy, tasty, and handy. 100 grams of fresh strawberries include 56 mg of vitamin C, 89 mg of potassium, 12 mg of calcium, and nearly 2 mg of fiber. Strawberries, in addition to fiber and potassium, include anthocyanins, which are beneficial to your heart health. Strawberries include flavonoids, phenolic acids, and tannins. These are antioxidants that guard against cognitive illness. Quercetin, a flavonoid found in strawberries, aids in inflammation reduction. 4. Oranges. These lovely fruits are among the healthiest in the planet. Oranges are vitamin and mineral-rich citrus fruits. Guess which one they're most known for? C is for citrus. One orange has 63 mg of vitamin C, 238 mg of potassium, 21 mg of calcium, 14 mg of magnesium, and nearly 4 grams of fiber. This fiber contains pectin, which binds to carcinogenic substances and transports them out of your gut. According to research, eating whole oranges can help lower inflammation, cholesterol, blood pressure, and post-meal blood sugar levels. Oranges also contain vitamin A, which is beneficial to your vision. B vitamins, such as thiamine and folate, are also necessary for the neurological and reproductive systems. I'm guessing you all enjoy drinking orange juice. While 100% orange juice has a high concentration of minerals and antioxidants, it typically lacks dietary fiber. 5. Blackberries. Blackberries are high in essential nutrients and antioxidants, making them an excellent complement to your diet. 100 grams of these fresh berries include 21 mg of vitamin C, 162 mg of potassium, 20 mg of magnesium, 29 mg of calcium, and 5 mg of fiber. Blackberries, which are high in vitamin C, play an important function in the production of collagen in your bones. They also aid in wound healing, skin regeneration, and iron absorption. Vitamin C also functions as an antioxidant, removing free radicals from the body. These small berries are high in fiber, which promotes gut health, regular bowel movements, and heart health by lowering cholesterol. Blackberries are also high in vitamin K, which helps in the early clotting of blood if you cut yourself. You might be shocked to learn that blackberries boost brain function and aid in the prevention of age-related memory loss. 6. Lime. Limes, like other citrus fruits, are high in vitamin C. 1 lime juice offers 13 mg, as well as 51 mg of potassium, 6 grams of calcium, and 4 mg of magnesium. Limes are also high in antioxidants, which help to enhance immunity. Lime juice can lower your risk of heart disease, maintain healthy skin, avoid kidney stones, and lower your chance of some malignancies. These include bone marrow, the neck, the pancreas, the breast, and the colon. To refresh yourself, sip hot or cold lime water. For additional flavor, add a little lime juice or grated lime peel to your favorite salads and fried rice. 7. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a nutritional fruit. Many people see it as a superfood. 1 raw pomegranate has 10 mg of vitamin C, 236 mg of potassium, 10 mg of calcium, and 4 grams of fiber. Pomegranates are high in antioxidants and polyphenols, which help in the battle against oxidative stress and, in turn, protect you against a variety of ailments. Pomegranate may give protection against brain illnesses such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, according to research. 8. Grapefruit. Grapefruits are tropical citrus fruits that have a sweet and tart flavor. They come in pink, red, or white and are high in vitamins and minerals. Half a grapefruit has 39 grams of vitamin C, 166 grams of potassium, 27 grams of calcium, and 2 grams of fiber. Grapefruits, in addition to being extremely hydrating, contain antioxidants known as flavonoids. These contain anti-inflammatory qualities and can help you avoid heart disease by reducing your cholesterol and blood pressure. Grapefruits can also lower your risk of cancer, prevent diabetes, lower your chance of kidney stones, and aid in weight reduction. Prepare a grapefruit cocktail or add grapefruit slices to your salad.